Bow form water, segment 5. This is where it kind of gets to looking like it should be fluid like water, right? If you kind of move all this stuff together. It's pretty cool. Just requires a lot of space to do this segment. We finished segment 4 with that rotation block and a back stance, right foot forward. We're going to start segment 5, stepping back, still facing this direction, and pushing that left hand forward for a knee side strike. From there, pick your right leg up, kind of pivot on that back leg, bounce on that back leg, reverse thrust behind you with that foot up in the air. And then after that thrust, reload up and land that right foot back facing that first guy into a left front stance facing away, overhead strike. So those first 3 moves from here, stepping back with my right, side to the knee, up, down, reload, overhead strike, okay? But the fun of that becomes when I don't just hit every one and freeze them, right? Try to see if you can go boom, 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 and make all 3 of those kind of work together. That's part of where it starts to look like water, if you can make that look fluid. But here's where the fun part happens. From here, I'm going to take my front hand, that right hand, and reverse my grip, so thumb is pointed down. Pull the bow back behind my shoulders with a little bit of tension, not too far. I don't want to break the bow or anything. I'm going to step my right foot forward into a front stance, let go with my left. Baseball bat swing, one-handed baseball bat swing. So we were here. Reverse the grip, behind the back, release with the left, boom, okay? Normally, after that, we would grip it, both thumbs up, we would grab the left hand down at the bottom with both thumbs pointed the same direction. This time, we're gonna turn our thumb the other way. So thumbs are going opposite directions, right? So left hand, thumb down. Let's pretend we just finished stepping forward here, here. Okay, what's gonna happen, the left hand grabs at the bottom, thumb pointed down, and I'll loosen that right hand and slide it around my back. So now it's coming at an angle around my back, all right? What I'm gonna do from there is take those first 2 fingers of my left hand and get them at the base, get them at the bottom of the bow so I can shoot it forward into my right hand, okay? I don't want it to go all the way out. I don't want to launch it into the audience or anything, so I'm going to keep it loose, but I know where-ish I want to grab, okay? It needs to be beyond the halfway point of the bow. If I get too high up, then I might end up hitting myself as I do the next twirls or anything. If I get too far down, then the bow might not be long enough. It might be too long, so now I'm going to hit the floor, right? So you got to kind of find that little sweet spot where you can do the cool twirls that we're going to do next. So I'm going to take this orientation again here. So we were here, grab with the left hand upside down, pull it around behind my shoulders, behind my back. As I do this, I want to kind of point that bow forward, not off to the side. I'm going to lean into my front stance. I'm kind of using the tip of the bow to aim for my head level, to give me kind of a good looking symmetry here for this, right? Shoot it forward, catch. Drop it down to the outside, so palm up and let it drop to the outside. Drop it to the inside underneath my armpit. Spin on that front foot. Unwind. Another single hand baseball strike. This time I will grab it with the left hand, thumbs pointed up. Step right foot forward into a back stance and draw that bow back. That's a little weird, right? One more orientation. So let's do it from if I'm here. All right, so we'll step the right foot back. Boom, side to the knee, up, down, boom, and then here I hit with my overhead strike. Reverse the grip with that right hand, draw it back behind the shoulder, step forward, single hand baseball swing, grab with the left hand, thumb pointed down, draw it back behind my back. Those first 2 fingers, push it forward, down, under my armpit, spin, try not to hit that pole. Grab with the left hand, this time pointed palm, thumbs up, step forward and get back to your ready stance. That is all of segment 5.